Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Facebook on all devices. So first, you need to open your Facebook app, and then all you need to do is tap on the profile picture or profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then here on your profile page, as you can see on your screen, all you need to do is tap on the gear icon, which is the settings at the top right. And once you tap this one, you'll find these settings and privacy. Now here, you just want to tap this password and security. Here on password and security, you'll find where your login. So you just tap this see all, and here you'll find all the locations where you log in. But if you notice that there is a location that's actually not you, and you want to log out that one, all you need to do is tap the three dots right beside that location. So for example, I want to tap these three dots right here, and then you will find review login. You can log out of this session. If it wasn't you who log in, we can take you through a few steps to secure your account. So tap this log out button right here at the bottom right. Then it will automatically lag out on that device. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like today's video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.